Okay. The way I do this, I like to take and stick my wooden tape in here, my stick tape, wood tape, whatever you want to call it. And then what I'm doing is I'm coming out 2 3/4 inches right there. And then to go over to my J channel to meet my J, I came over 2 1/4 inches. Look at that. Yeah, 2 1/4 inches there. And then I went back 1 inch. I came back 1 inch to go back towards the wall on my return. My overall length, I measured from J channel down to the top of the base aluminum, the sill, and I'm at 64 1/8 inches. I went ahead and I got this pre-cut, pre-bent, and I went and measured. There's my full length, so it sits in there. And then I measured down from the top of the J channel to the bottom of that one by up there, and I went ahead and cut a notch out. And now this will just take will sit right there in the accessory groove, and there it is. All I have to do is seal it up. Okay, what I like to do is go ahead and fill this accessory groove as well. It helps hold everything together. Gives you more waterproofing. Okay, going from the accessory groove out, we're going to make this top piece. We're going to come out at the same distance as we did on our sides, which is about 2 7/8. So that'll come right up off of there, out of there, 2 7/8, and then we're going to go ahead up to this J channel, and we're going to come up at 2 1/2 inches, maybe 2 3/8 2 3/8 inches will come up. And then we're going to go back in 1 inch. Marking the top piece, the first bend is going to be at 2 7/8 inches. The next bend will be at 2 1/2. And then the final bend is 1 inch after that, or the cutoff will be 1 inch after that. Okay. All right, my first bend is going to be at my 1 inch mark. Bend her up at a 90. The next bend comes in at the 2 1/2 inch mark. And again, I'll bend that at 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, I already cut the other side. What I'm just doing here is I'm cutting these notches so it'll sit right back in the top up there. I like to score the inside because it gives a nice clean cut. Just hit it a couple times real quick. Work it back and forth, and you got a nice clean straight cut. Okay, we got the top piece fit in. Now all we have left to do is caulk up the window and clean it up. Okay, we're at the final step of the process. It's time to go ahead and get the windows sealed up.